Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World, and we got one more watch face for you all to check out. This one is nice. Now, it's really going to be geared toward the running you, but this is definitely going to be a nice dressed down watch face for the weekend. Now, I don't know how long this one is going to be free. Yes, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, I thought the developer really got creative with this watch face. I thought it was a nice touch for a fun, casual watch face. Now, the name of it is called Great Star Road. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look so far as your digital time is concerned. But once the watch face is on, definitely it's a fun watch face to have on if you're going to be super casual over the weekend. And I do like the background thing with the twinkling stars and the colors that's going on with this watch face. Now, you will get your digital time. You come down, you will get your step status info like steps, calories burned, heart rate information, and you're also going to get your battery info. And to the right, you will get the name of the watch face as well, but you also get this road here. I like that look. Very different design. Haven't seen this one before, but if I double tap, I can change the theme of the watch face itself, which looks super awesome. Depending on what you got going on so far as color is concerned, you can color coordinate with this watch face to match up with whatever you may have going on for the day. So what do you think, people? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it. You guys enjoy your weekend, have fun, enjoy family and friends, but most of all, be safe. Hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.